I'm Joel Fairbrother from Bow River Law. I'm an employment lawyer in Calgary, and today I'm answering the question, my employer sued me, what should I do? So if your employer sues you, you need to get an employment lawyer right away. It has become more and more common for employers to sue recently departed employees. Sometimes these lawsuits appear to be tactically motivated in order to prevent competition, even fair competition. And sometimes they're based on an employer's belief that they have a good case against an employee. But in many cases, the lawsuits are doomed to fail because the law is not really set up to encourage employers to sue their former employees. It's actually employment law is more geared to protect employees. That being said, there are many different things an employee could be sued for. You can be sued for, in some circumstances, competing. You can be sued in some circumstances for soliciting former clients. The first thing, though, is if you're sued in Alberta as an employee, you should get an employment lawyer. You only have about 20 days to defend, typically, from a lawsuit from an employer or anyone really. And it takes a little bit of time for the lawyer to get up to speed and stuff like that. But apart from that, the the employment lawyer can help you. I mean, you need to defend, but the employment lawyer can help you figure out what it is you can do, what it is you can't do as far as competing and soliciting clients and stuff like that. And that's a complicated thing. It depends on the position you held with the employer. What were you doing? Were you dealing directly with clients? Did you sign a non-competition or non-solicitation agreement? Things like that. Those all play into what you're allowed to do. But just because you've signed something and that appears to say that you're not allowed to compete or solicit doesn't necessarily mean that you can't. Many of those agreements are unenforceable, and you need to speak to an expert to figure out what that is. Again, my name's Joel Fairbrother from Bow River Law. I'm an employment lawyer and partner, and I hope this has been helpful.